Hi guys! Welcome back again to another vlog. So ngayon, kakagising ko lang and I'm just so excited to show this to you. Gagawa po ako ng cloud bun. Madali lang po siya. You just need 3 ingredients and is very perfect sa mga nagda-diet if they don't want to indulge having too much carbs. So this bun is so perfect. Masarap siya sa morning, especially na may coffee. So I can't wait to show it to you guys, and just keep watching this video so you can have the whole ingredients and you can do it at home as well. So just keep watching. So mag-start na po tayo mag-mix ng mga ingredients. Ang kailangan lang po natin is eggs, sugar, tapos flour, and then meron pa akong food coloring. It's just optional, depende lang po sa inyo. Meron akong food coloring kasi gusto ko may ibang kulay naman siya. So let's start to mix the ingredients. So ayan po, na-separate ko na yung yellow egg. So ang kailangan lang po natin sa bun is yung white egg, tapos a little bit of sugar, and then a little bit of flour. Umpisahan na po natin. Yung enough lang po sa panglasa niyo. Sa atin ihalo yung harina. Pero konti lang po, huwag natin damihan. Okay, ito ang sunod. So, ayan po, naka-ready na po yung paper. Ilalagay na po natin yung yung minix natin kanina. And then, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-preheat niyo po yung oven 260 degrees Celsius. Tapos, let's bake it for about 10 minutes. Perfect po to sa mga nagda-diet. Kasi ano siya, less flour, tapos less din yung sugar, tapos white egg pa. Tapo natin sa ibabaw para magiging ball po siya. Here it is, guys! Yan na yung bun na ginawa ko. And I'll show it to you. Wait lang, close ko lang yung oven. This is gonna be so yummy. Ganito lang ka-easy gumawa ng cloud bun. So, this is pure white egg, kaya perfect siya pang diet. When you're in a diet. But if not, okay lang. Kain kayo kahit anong bread. So, ayun guys. It's very hot out. So I will have my coffee now, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you again next time. And please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click subscribe button and hit the bell notification as well so you will see more of my upcoming vlogs. I will see you again next time. Bye!